How to enable or disable airplane mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connection, you will see Flight Mode is here. If you want to enable airplane mode, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see airplane mode is enabled. If you want to disable flight mode and airplane mode, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see airplane mode is turned off. You will disable. If you want to enable or disable airplane mode from here, after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off, enable or disable airplane mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.